My name is Melo. They call me around here Melo. But my real name is Carmelo de los Santos. I'm turning 46 this August. Yeah. And what I do in Haikou, I'm a bass player and a frontman of my band Gone Wild. Mike, well, he's a really amazing guy. I met him because he's working in a different bar, my rival bar, our rival bar. But we never talk about the business. We talk about just like hanging out, you know, what's life, drinking, what's happening. But we never talk about anything about business. So he's amazing, amazing guy. Well, everybody calls him Magic Mike. Everybody calls him Magic Mike, you know. And first time I met him, it's like he's got this afro hair, which is basically his trademark, you know, and it's really, really nice. And then I talked to him, you know, and it's like really cool guy, like, perfect for a manager, you know, perfect for a manager. Confidence. Very much. Every time there's somebody new, he would approach, like just talk. Same thing, like, because that's what I do in meeting people. That's the same thing he does. He talks to people. My superpower, that I think, my hair. Discipline. Filipino needs more discipline. It's very simple as crossing the streets. They cannot do that one. I mean, the proper pedestrian lane. Some of the Filipinos can't do that one. I'm proud of my daughter. Ever since she came into my life, yeah. She's like, you know, like I asked for an angel, and God gave me my daughter. Her name is Seraphim. It's it's an angel's name, Seraphim. But I changed S to X. Yeah, so make it a little bit unique, and that's why I'm here. It's for her education, for her future. I don't think about my future anymore. I just think about her future. So I just work hard just for my daughter. Cabbage. The more you peel off a cabbage, you'll see more beauty inside, more fresh inside. Mostly respect. I'm a very friendly person. I approach people, I talk to them, I make them make them feel at home as much as possible at my work. So all for me is like I just want in return is respect. That's it, nothing else. Yes, always have time. No, if they need help, I would help them always. Like as long as I can squeeze in my schedule, I would for a friendship. For me, yeah, because I trust people so much. I would talk to people and I would trust them like easily. Well, I'm going to send you guys to Philippines, to one of my good friends, Chris. His name is Chris. His stage name is Easy, I-Z-Z-Y. This is a vocalist of this amazing band, Shotgun Combo. I call him Tofi because his name is Chris. His real name is Christopher. Sorry, Chris, I need to say this one. I love that question. And then we were thinking about a cheesy name for this rock star dude. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna call you Tofi. And he was like, for him, it's like the most horrible name for him. And I love that one. Like, oh no, I'm gonna call you Tofi. I'm gonna call you Tofi. But his real name is Chris. His stage name is Easy. When we get drunk, he does the craziest thing that I cannot control him. And I just, for me, I was like, well, I'll let him go. He'll do all this crazy stuff. And then the next morning, he would not remember anything. Well, not many people know about, not many people know about him as his real self, you know. Yeah. He's like because he stayed in our house for a long time. He became our family, he became my brother. Like he's the youngest of us brothers. So I know that he's like really, really, he would take care of somebody. Like, probably he would be cool right now as a singer, as a vocalist, as a frontman. Like I'm cool like this one. But if you would know him really well. He would help you in many ways. He would stay with you, like just stick up with you, like protect you. Not many people know about him like this way, but he would, you know. This is the thing that me and my brothers, my family experienced from him. Chris, do whatever you're doing right now, pursue your dreams. That's what I've always told you ever since. Go for it. Don't let anybody tell you what you cannot do, and prove to them, like in their face, that you're gonna do it. Always, always like that. Never let anybody tell you that you cannot do anything. Yeah. Good luck also to your career. Yeah, because I know you're gonna go there. Like, you've been working so much, so hard to get to the top, and you're almost there. And I'm proud of you.